Hello, my name is Robert and I'm the head of R&D software at DH Electronics. Today I show you a demo with a fully customized solution we developed. This solution is originally used for laboratory and for measurement applications. It originally was equipped with the i.MX6 processor, but thanks to our familiar modular concept, we exchanged it with the i.MX8 processor, which has a more powerful GPU and additionally an NPU. As operating system, we use a Yocto-based Linux. Apart from this processing unit, we have a visualization unit which is connected via a serialized data stream. That means that inside of the visualization unit there is no additional CPU, which saves cost and also development efforts. We have several demos on the display running based on a framework called WebIQ, which comes from our partner company Smart HMI. I can show you some of the demos. In this demo, you see a trend display which is very responsive. In the next demo, you see a 3D animation which is based on a WebGL standard, which is also possible with this framework.